Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome back. We are getting ready to make a Greek style lamb burger my way. So let's get busy. Okay guys, what we have here is all of our ingredients for our lamb burger. We've got already ground lamb that we'll be using. And lamb pairs very well with rosemary, so I'm going to actually be basting the burgers with the rosemary. But to our ground lamb, we're going to be using ground garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, Himalayan salt, and white pepper. And guys, okay guys, so I'm not going to do a lot of measuring, and I don't have all of the lamb in here because I'm just making a couple of burgers just for my family. So always adjust your seasoning according to the amount of meat that you're using. And I hope you guys are having a great day today. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to season this up here. I'm not big on measurements. So shake and put in your seasonings according to your taste. This is the onion powder. That was the salt I just put in. This is the garlic powder that I'm putting in. And it doesn't matter, guys. Use the seasonings that you like. Whatever you feel best pairs with it, you can use those seasonings. And again, I'm using white pepper. I just like white pepper. It's more of a powdery texture, so I tend to like it a lot. And I still have my rosemary sitting here, but I'm not going to actually put the rosemary in the ground lamb. I will be basting our meat with that. So you just want to get in here, and guys, I'm starting to use a spoon, but you know me, I like to get in here with my hands so I can know that it's really mixed well. But you don't have to. Use a spoon if you like. Yes, and if you have kids, this is a good thing for the kids to do, is mix it up for you. You can put your spices in and let them mix it up. What kid wouldn't like this? It's like playing with Play-Doh or something. Okay, that's good. I'm going to get my hands washed up and we'll be right back. So I'm going to make 2 patties here, guys. And what I'm going to do is put them in the refrigerator, let them get cold, and let these seasonings marry right into the meat. No rhyme or reason, just form them with your hands. And I'm putting them on parchment paper so they'll be easy to come off. Okay. And I'm going to take just a little bit off of there, because you know what, guys, at the end, I'm not going to actually cut into my burger because I'm going to wait and have dinner with my family. But I'm going to use this, dip it in some of my spread, and we're going to give it a taste at the end. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and sit these in the refrigerator while we get our skillet and everything else prepared. Okay guys, while our burgers are preparing and cooking, we are going to go ahead and make our spread for our burgers. Now typically, most people will use a Greek yogurt or something like that as the base, and feta cheese, but guys, guess what? Number 1, I don't have any yogurt or feta cheese, and number 2, I don't like either. Therefore, this is where my take comes in on the lamb burger. We're using cream cheese, so let's see how to make this. Okay, once our burgers are done, guys, we're going to be topping it with some purple onion. Some people call it red, some people call it purple. To me, it's purple, so it's purple. Spinach and tomato slices, so we'll set that aside. I have some softened cream cheese, and to it we're going to add some chives, parsley, and mint. Again, guys, this is another twist on it. This is my take, and guys, you can put what you want in it, what you like in it. Don't be afraid to try things or switch it up. This is actually spearmint. I love spearmint, and I am not in favor of just regular mint. So we're using spearmint. Okay. Experiment with the spearmint. Okay, bad joke. And we are going to put in here some parsley flakes, which is not open yet at all. So we'll just snatch this off right quick. Go ahead and put a few. Again, I'm not big on measuring, guys, so do it to your own liking. If I find we need more, I'll put more in. And chives. And we're just going to mix this all together. Mix it really well, guys. And this is going to be our spread for our burgers once they are done. And as with anything, guys, I always just add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Just a pinch. Brings out the flavor. So we're going to make sure this is well combined, guys. Well combined. Yes. And I'm just going to give it a taste to make sure that mint and everything is coming through. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, guys, let's get back over to our burgers. Okay, guys, so lamb is pretty lean, so we're going to put just a little bit of olive oil in our skillet and let that heat up just a tad bit. Our skillet is just about ready. It's not quite hot enough, but before we even get our burgers in, we're going to go ahead and put some of this rosemary into the skillet and get it all warmed up a little bit, so the flavors can come out in that olive oil that I put in there. And then we'll be able to get that flavor into our burgers as well. So we just want to heat the rosemary up a little bit first. And we'll be right back when it's time to put the burgers in. So it's time to get our burgers in here. So we're just going to lay them in the skillet and move some of this out the way because we're actually going to put it on top as well. That's why we moved it around and kind of season that oil with it. Move this around. This other one in here. And now you want to cook it to your own personal desired temp. I don't like mine too well done, but I don't actually like it rare either. So I'm going to cook mine to my desired temp, and you will do the same thing. We're going to let this sit here and cook on the one side, and we'll be back when it's time to flip them over. Alright guys, lamb does not take long, so we are ready to get these flipped over. Let's move all of our rosemary out of the way. Oh yes, looking good, and it smells so delicious. Yes, I wish you guys could smell it. We're going to chop it, move our rosemary around in this oil a little bit. And we're going to top it again with our rosemary, guys. Yeah, get right in there. Just put it in. Get it topped. Get it topped. Okay, now we're going to let it cook on this side for a couple of minutes and we'll be done. Okay, our burgers are ready to come out. Let's move this rosemary to the side. Then I'm going to drain this oil out of here and we are going to actually toast our buns. I'm not going to clean the skillet. I want those flavors from the lamb to chime in on the bun. Okay. And I'm going to take this rosemary, rub it in the oil again a little bit, and sit it right on top of the burgers while they rest. Sit it right on top while it rests so that flavor can continue to infuse while the burgers rest. Sit it right on top like that. I'm going to sit it on top so it can infuse while they rest. Alright, so now we're just going to take our buns and sit them right in here and let them get good and toasted. Yes. Okay. We'll be back when they're ready to come out. So we should be done here. Just need to toast them a little bit. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Awesome. Yes. Nice and toasty. All right, we're going to go over here and get these burgers put together. Okay guys, so we're going to build our burger first. We're going to start with our spread. Just going to spread some right on that bottom bun. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Just do your own thing with it. Do your own thing, yes. Do delicious. I can smell the mint coming through. It smells delicious, delicious, delicious. Okay, let's get both of them done here. Awesome and amazing. Just a little bit more. Okay. Now we're going to top our buns with our spinach. No rhyme or reason, guys. Just get it on. It's going to taste amazing. It's simple. It's easy. It's healthy. It's delicious. We don't have to make it hard. Move our rosemary. Use my fingers there a little bit. Put that burger on top. Yes. Oh, guys, I got my little taste tester here that I promised. Yes. Then we're going to top this with a little onion. I like to separate my onion just a little bit. Just a little bit. Put that tomato slice on top. Delicious. Awesome and amazing, guys. Awesome and amazing. Put the bun on there. And there you have it, guys. There you have it. Sit this out of the way. Sit this out of the way. Yes. Just want you guys to take a close-up look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Uh-oh. Yes, let's get this back on top here. Yes, doesn't that look amazing, guys? Look at those. Look at that, look at that. And guys, I promised you I was going to taste this lamb. So I have a little small burger here. I'm going to break this in half. And you see it's not too done in there, but it is not rare. I don't like mine too rare. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of this on here. This is the spread, guys, and let's give this a taste. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. The mint and the rosemary, the earthiness of it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold up before I eat my burger, guys. But thank you all so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and leave me some comments. Let's communicate down below. Do you like lamb? Have you had a lamb burger? How do you prepare yours? And guys, don't forget to share me out. Share me out, share me out, share me out. Sharing is caring. Oh my goodness, thank you all so much for watching and hanging out and cooking with me today. You can't stop, guys. I just can't stop. I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.